Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you a delicious and healthy Greek yogurt and honey parfait recipe. Trust me, you're going to love it. So, let's get started. First, you'll need 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Now, drizzle a 1/4 cup of honey over the yogurt. Next, sprinkle a 1/2 cup of granola on top. Now, for the best part, add a 1/2 cup of fresh berries. You can use strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, or mix them all together for a colorful treat. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts on top. And there you have it, a scrumptious Greek yogurt and honey parfait that's not only tasty but also packed with nutrition. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, happy cooking!